remember me? Yeah, zebra cakes.
I just got, and mine are Twizzlers, but I ate them all.
I did it. Still here.
Then eat them!
I will.
Like pizza rolls.
Don't yell at me.
I'm scared. Chicken nuggets, chicken nuggets, chicken
I
nuggets.
like chicken nuggets too.
Taco!
I like peanuts.
You like your peanut? You mean you like your doggy? You're not going to eat him, are you?
I like food. And I have an animal named... You fell in the
I
box.
just fell in the back.
Hi.
That was so random. You guys just like, ow, this is hurting my butt.
I have a pen.
Okay, how about you like pull me up?
Zebra cake.
Help me,
I
help me.
gotta pull her up because she's having technical difficulties. We're having technical difficulties. I still got zebra cake. We're having difficulties. Still have it. Still have zebra cake. Hi, Jessica.
Emily, do it.
I'm having some kind of difficulties right now.
Jessica's having difficulties.
Hi, Mommy.
Mom's on the phone with Katie. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
We have to go. Oh my God! I think I'm turning lesbian. I have to go.